The elderflower bush. I'm going to pick some to make some elderflower wine. Loads of elderflowers on there. So we have a big bowl of elderflower heads. So I've chopped them all off, and here's the stems. I had enough flower petals for 2 pints, so I'm going to make two pints, which will make 2 gallons of elderflower wine. I've got 1 pint of elderflower petals. I'm going to add in my saucepan. I'll also be adding 2 lemons and 2 limes. People grate the lemon, but I've just cut it off and I'm putting it in the saucepan. Needs 2 kilos of sugar because I'm making double the amount. So this is for 2 gallons. Also adding some tea from our teapot, as we don't use tannin, but this is exactly the same. It can be tea bag tea, and just let it stew and then add it to the mixture. It's looking good. I'm also adding the boiling water to it. It's 8 pints for every gallon, and then it's going to stew. Right, I need to boil some more. Mark is very kindly squeezing my lemons and limes to go into the mixture. I'm now going to let it stand here for the next 4 days, and I'm going to stir it every day. Oops. Just put the yeast on. It's cooled to nice normal temperature, and this will start to activate the yeast, and I'm going to keep it at a warm temperature of 20 degrees, and I'll show you the next stage. This is the second day of the elderflowers. You can see it's fermenting. It's lovely. It's another 2 days. It's an absolutely gorgeous smell. It's a shame you can't smell it. And after another 2 days, I will be filtering it off, taking all this stuff out, and putting it in a demijohn. So it's day 4. It's now ready to go and be filtered through to go in the demijohn. Just going to strain the wine through my muslin that is in a sieve. And that's going to drip through. And then I'll add it to the demijohn. Squeeze it all out so all the goodness comes out of the elderflowers, the lemon and the raisins. And that's going to go on the compost heap. Make this elderflower wine and put them in, take it and put it in these 2 demijohns. I've shared the elderflower wine in each one. I've topped this one up with water, and I'm going to now top up this one. I'm just filling one of these up. I've done the other one. I've labelled them elderflower, and now they're going to stand here to finish fermentation for the next few weeks. Will take probably a month or so. They had the initial fermentation in the saucepan. That's like 4 days vigorous. Taking all the elderflowers out and lemon, and now they're in a demijohn to keep fermenting.